Hey y'all, and welcome to my channel. Today's video is just a quick Temu haul where I wanted to show you guys the items that I got from Temu. So some of these items, and it's only 4, some of these items were last minute for vacation, and another item probably was just because I really wanted to have it. But like I said, we'll just jump right into this. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're an old subscriber, welcome back. So in today's video from Temu, the bag that, let's just say, finally got here, but literally took just a week to get here. Like I said, I have 4 items in here. So the first one is just a small little bag. This is the red one. This one just has like all of the different characters on it. I'll take it out of the bag and show you guys even better. So it's just like a little tote bag, something small and simple. It does have a zipper, and I like that because this could be used as her go-to like little purse for on vacation. She could easily put like her money in here, any of like her souvenirs, things like that. Such a cute little bag to have, especially for women who love Hello Kitty as well. You can't beat this. This purse was only like $6. Next in here, I have a little phone case. So this is supposed to be a colorful pineapple phone case for the iPhone 12, which is the iPhone that I have. So I'm taking it out, and here it is. This is what the inside is going to look like. I'm definitely going to need to put on another screen cover, and so that way it doesn't break. So just a cute little beach themed, pineapple themed case for the iPhone 12. So that's what I got. This was like $1 or $2, nothing major. And like I said before, some of these items were things that I needed for vacation. So when going through clothing back in like April, May, when I was ordering everything from Temu, I forgot to get some things. I didn't realize that some of the outfits were probably not what I was gonna wanna wear. So what did Sierra do? Sierra went and bought a shirt that I'm gonna be able to use on vacation. I already have a pair of white shorts that easily could go with this shirt. So it is just simply like this. And I like the fact that it has multiple colors, so if I wanted to wear a pair of pink shorts with it, I could. If I could find, you know, like the teal or blue or the purple, I could wear that as well. It ties up on the sides, so that's going to be good too, because I can adjust it the way that I want to. And then of course I could easily put a bathing suit on underneath of this and still be comfortable. So that was roughly about $5 or $6 as well. Last but not least, this is the reason why you should come a little closer. Exactly. This is the reason why you need to use that code down in my description box to order yourself some things if you are a first-time user on Temu, because not only are you going to get the 30% off, you're going to find a bunch of different items that you're going to love and adore and want to get for yourself. Very, very cute shirts, very, very cute dresses, and of course the items that can go in your kitchen, the items that can go in your car, your bathroom, your home, if you're a teacher. Like, these things are endless of things that you can get. So yes, use that code in my description box down below, because I ordered myself a black box traffic recorder. That's what it's called. But when you look online for this item is basically called a 3-channel dash cam. This 3-channel dash cam is what I mainly wanted to include in this video, which is why I'm putting it at the end. This 3-channel dash cam, not only does it come with night vision, it also has a triple camera system. It also has loop recording. It has a 2 IPS screen, and it has a wide angle car DVR, and it's perfect for day and night usage. Some of the things that I can say about this, for one, already, is that it came for a great price. So you can do HD video recording. It has a 2.0 HD display. It can film up to 140-degree wide angle. It also has a rear view, loop recording, G sensor, which is like locking, and of course recording. So let's go ahead and open this up so I can show you guys what this looks like. Some of you guys are heading out for vacation soon, and I told you this Temu package only took less than a week to get here, so I wanted to share with you guys this packaging. So not only does it come in this, but it comes in this box right here, and you easily open it up, and there is this piece right here. The first piece that I'm going to show you guys is simply the front camera piece that is going to come in this box, and I think I have it, yeah, I think I have it correctly. So it looks just like this. I'm going to do a 360 of it. So this piece right here is for your SD card, and it's for your mic and then your reset. So that bottom button is for reset. The top buttons are as following. There's a power button. There is a button for like to go next or that way. There's also a memory button and an OK button. So I don't know if you guys can see those. Now on the other side there's nothing, but on this bottom half there is the USB cord that's going to go to it, and then there's also the AV cord that's going to go to it. Down here, I'm not exactly sure just yet, but we'll find that out. Now, you have this that is going to be up in your dashboard recording this way, and then you have this camera on the back that's going to be recording you in the car. So that's that piece, and then also down in the box, you have the cord for it. And this cord is what is going to be your rear piece. So this is what the piece is going to look like in the back of the car. So you could easily put this up in your dash cam, in your dashboard in the back. You also could hook it underneath of like your license plate if you're able to. I think that that'd be cool too. So who knows with that part, but here's the cord, and then this part just gets plugged up into this piece right here. I will tell you that. And this is the third camera. So this is the one that's going to record from the rear. Here is your cord that gets plugged in underneath of the camera right here, and then it gets plugged into your lighter jack. The last thing in here is just like a mount for it, and this simply is the reason why I said I'm not sure just yet how this works, but this is a car mount where you're gonna slide it into that hole and then slide it over so that it can be mounted up on your dashboard in order to record. So you can change it any way you would like to. Make sure you tighten it. The suction is right here so that you can easily do what you need to do. Now, I chose the option to get my camera to come with a 32 gigabyte memory card. So if you choose this option, like I said, this is a really great thing to have. It only cost me $17 or $18. It comes with an instruction book. It tells you how to do everything. The good thing is you can ride around before your vacation, test it out and see how it goes. So I think that I want to try to do that and show you guys how this camera really works. But I love the fact that it has 3 channels that I'm going to be able to like get footage from on vacation. So from the front, inside the car for like reactions, and then of course just all in general. So you also can easily use the screws that come with it, and then this plastic piece that's going to keep it mounted. But overall, I cannot wait to use this. I hope that you all use the code down in my description box down below to test it out for yourself and get one, because I'm definitely looking forward to seeing how this is going to work. It has 12.0 megapixels, f1.8. It is 170 inches wide, so you're going to be able to see a good amount. This is just like the same thing as if you had a home camera that is going to allow you to see from left to right outside of your home. So use that code down in my description box down below to order yours today. Then again, go order whatever you want. Just use that code.
Nothing you say